Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a graphic work breakdown structure for your assignments. First of all, go into PowerPoint. Let's open a new slide. I'm going to get rid of just this one box and just use one here. The trick with creating your graphic work breakdown structure is that when you number it, you don't let PowerPoint automatically number your work breakdown structure. So I'll just type something here. You can see that Microsoft tried to automatically do my numbering. I don't want it to do that. I can just do undo or Control Z to take the automatic numbering off, and I can continue. I think I've actually got this here. Let me do this. Alright. So you'll just type up your work breakdown structure. You can see that I've just underlined, I've just put it all under one long list, taken the automatic numbering off. Right, second step is to do my indenting. All of the tasks, everything underneath the party project needs to be indented. I'm going to select the whole thing and click on this increase list level. And then I need to show that I have these 3 tasks belonging to invitations, these 3 belonging to catering, these 3 belonging to event. Okay, so now that I've done that, I've typed up my work breakdown structure, I've indented it. Please note that the heading is separate. I then have my 3 deliverables with my various tasks underneath it. I have entered the milestones, invitations completed, catering completed, and event completing, just because it'll help you when you're drawing up other documents for your assignment. Okay, so once you've done the list and you've indented it, you're going to move up to where it says here convert to smart art. You're going to click on that. You're going to move down and you're going to select this organizational chart, and it's converted your list into this graphic. So there's a few things I need you to do here. I'm going to go to the home option on your menu bar. I'm going to select A, which will select all my lines and all my boxes. I'm going to say shape fill over here, no fill, shape outline, black, and letters or font color I'm going to make black. Right. I also see that I've got space, so I can widen these little boxes slightly. And there's my work breakdown structure, but it's not 100% correct. Remember that to get your full marks, you need to ensure that your activities or your tasks are not in boxes, only your deliverables. So I'm just clicking on the lines around the boxes I don't want to have. I'm holding Control so I can do multiple clicks at once. Could do it individually. Come on. Alright, so I don't want boxes around those 6 items. So first of all, let me left align them so it'll look a little bit better. And I'm going to go to Shape Outline. And I'm going to select No Outline. And there's your graphic work breakdown structure. Good luck!